channel. Today we're going to be looking at the Q2 earnings for Poshmark. Poshmark is a platform where you can buy and sell fashion brands. You can buy home decor and host of other stuff. They they actually miss on their Q2 earnings. They miss top and bottom. The actual revenue is 8.91 million. What we expected is 8.965, so it's just a slight miss. The EPS is 0.29. What was expected is 0.27. The stock is already down about 11% today, and the stock is trading around $11.38. Um, you know, it's not a huge miss, but it's warrant investor to drop some of their stocks, so the price is down. Let's have a look at the details of the earnings. Let's also have a look at price action to see what the technical chart will tell us. Let's have a look. Here is the detail for the Q2 earnings for Poshmark. We're on the investor site. Let's start with this. Uh, Poshmark reports second quarter 2022 financial results, August 11, 2022. Q2 total revenue increased by 9% year over year to 89.1 million. Q2 gross merchandise value increased 8% year over year, 483.5 million. Q2 adjusted EBITDA was 9.8 million with 11.0% margin. Redwood City, California, that's what that means. August 11, 2022, Poshmark, a leading social marketplace for new and second-hand style, today announced financial results for the second quarter ended June 30, 2022. The company posted net revenue of 89.1 million in second quarter of 2022, which is a 9% year over year increase from the second quarter of 2021. Gross merchandise value grew 8% year over year from the second quarter 2021 to 483.5 million, up from 449.6 million in the same period last year, meaning that this season was better than the same period last year. We reported a strong quarter despite a tough consumer environment due to our focus on execution and are pleased that our result exceeded our initial expectation. We remain focused on product innovation to give sellers better ways to market and merchandise their closet and new ways for buyers to discover, trend, and engage with our marketable to drive conversion, said Manage Chandler, the founder and CEO of Chief Executive Officer of Poshmark. This continues to keep Poshmark a top destination for fashion, as demonstrated by 14% trailing 12-month active buyers growth to a record 8.0 million in the second quarter. That's huge. That's huge for a platform that can sell reusable clothes and I mean second-hand clothes. You can pretty much sell your closet. The power of Poshmark community combined with its robust marketplace platform makes selling and shopping simple, social, fun, and sustainable. User engagement on Poshmark Marketplace increased 70% year over year to a record of 57.5 billion social interaction during the trailing 12 months ended June 30, 2022. Second quarter 2022 key metric and financial highlight. This is our as an investor, this is the section that is more important to you. Net revenue was 89.1 million, 9% increase year over year from 81.6 million to the second quarter of 2021. GMV 483.5 million, an increase of 8% year over year from 449.6 million in the second quarter of 2021. Quarterly GMV has increased year over year for the past 18 quarter. Trailing 12 months, active buyers reached a record of 8.0 million, 14% year over year from 7.0 million in second quarter of 2021. It just shows you that they're getting better. Adjusted EBITDA was 9.8 million, which decreased from 6.5 million in second quarter of 2021. Adjusted EBITDA margin was 11.0 in the second quarter of 2022. GAAP result from operation was 22.9 million compared to 2.4 million in second quarter 2021. As you can see, these include 12.1 million and 8.1 million in stock-based compensation, respectively. Non-GAAP result from operation excluding stock-based compensation was 10.8 million compared to 5.7 million in second quarter of 2021. GAAP net loss per share attributable to common stockholder was 0.29 cents compared to 0.03 in the second quarter of 2021. I mean, they are the issues that they did far more better than same period of last year. Cash and cash equivalent were 581.2 million as of June 30, 2022, or $7.41 in cash per share. Free cash flow was 3.5 million compared to 25.0 million for 3 months ended June 2021. I don't understand this side of the figure. Maybe there was a mistake here, or anyway. Second quarter 2022 business highlight. Let's look at the business highlight. We introduced trend guideline in April, providing sellers with more ways to strengthen their trend related listening and drive conversion. In May, we updated my shopper, our CRM. Okay, these are the functions and the business function on their platform. We don't really need all that. And third quarter guidance. Yes, guidance is key for us as investor. Um, Expected revenue range from 85 million to 87 million. Adjusted EBITDA 9 million to 11 million. Is for an investor. These are the kind of figures you want to see. A better guidance. Let's have a look at the website. Let's see what the website looks like. Okay, this is the website. Brand sports. Okay, you can see there are different brands on the website. How it works. You can go through this to show you how it works. Let's go on to the technical chart for price action. Here is the technical chart for Poshmark. Let's start with market capitalization. 608.3 million. Shares in float is 42.8 million. Shares outstanding is 78.0 million. EPS rating is 20, and the EPS, the P ratio is not available. 5 years PE not available. Return on equity not applicable. Uh, Cash flow is in negative. Uh, this stock start at 2018, and it has always been negative. This company is not making money. That's what I can tell you here. Let's have a look at. It is currently trading $11.36. The 52 weeks high is $30 and 52 weeks low is $8. It is trading minus 62.2% of off 52 weeks high. Let's have a look at owners. We have 54% fund and 0% banks and insurance. Checklist. Benjamin Graham, 2 out of 13. Warren Buffett, 1 out of 16. Peter Lynch, 3 out of 8. Market technical. It is currently trading below 52. Below 10 weeks moving average, and also below 40 weeks moving average. Here on a weekly chart, As you can see, there's nothing more to say about this. This stock has been trending down. It is a downward trending stock. We have we have some level of resistance here that was broken. Um, be careful with this stock. I mean, the only thing I can tell you is just be careful on these stocks. Let's have a look at it on a daily chart so we can see if there are more things we can advise you on. Um, yeah, this is more like one of those stocks that that did well during the COVID-19 stuff, and well, otherwise, as you can see, the moving average here it is below 50-day moving average, slightly okay. Uh, in fact, it's below 15-day moving average. There is nothing more to say that than this stock is downward trending stock, as you can see. And we have some bullish, just short a bullish move, but then it's be careful with this stock. Not every stock that is going down is an opportunity. Some might just be a falling knife, so be careful. You are saying the technical chart for Poshmark, it means top and bottom. That doesn't mean that you cannot buy or invest in it. What it just means that you need to understand the business. You need to know that sometimes when a stock is down, it is opportunity for you to buy it. It is trading at a discount. You understand? So now we have seen the technical chart, we've seen the detail of the earnings. It's your choice, but make sure you do a good valuation. You have a way of valuing stock. Check the P/E ratio. Go to the investor relation on their website. Understand the business. Understand the business model before you invest in it. Yeah. I mean, apart from when you're just trading stock, but for investment, you need to know what you are investing in. Thank you for watching this channel. We continue to produce content that will support your investment journey. Please call again.